How to use flashlight in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it latest, go back to settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on control center. So first of all, turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen. Refresh phone. So open control center. So swipe down. So if you want to use flashlight, so you will see flashlight icon is here. So click on flashlight. You will see turn on flashlight. So if you want to turn off, so turn off this. You click on this flashlight icon. So your flashlight is turn off. Turn on or turn off light from here. So after the procedure, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use flashlight in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.